Hello! Today we're going to talk about Novice Mode for our Genesis and Genesis Mini controllers. Depending on your kiln manufacturer, your controller might have come set with Novice Mode turned on or off. Novice Mode, meant for beginner users, simplifies the firing process a bit and prevents editing individual segments of a firing. It's ultimately intended to make programming easier. But if you weren't aware of this mode existing, you might have thought the controller was too confusing or not versatile enough. Currently, this device here has Novice Mode turned on. On the home screen, you can see that this blue button says View. Going into these menus, you'll notice that I cannot edit any of the options. And actually, that's a bad example, so we're going to switch to a different mode here. And there's more options to demonstrate that I cannot edit them. You can also go to the table mode, and you can't edit those either. So, here's how to switch it on or off. First, go to the menu. On the next screen here, we're going to scroll down to Configuration. Press that. And now we're on another screen with Novice Mode as the first option on the top. Simply press that, either switch it on or off. We'll switch it off for now, and press the green Save button, which will then let you go back to the home screen. Now, let's look at what's changed. First, you can see the blue button now says Edit rather than View. So we'll go there, and you can now click on each individual setting and edit it like so. You can also copy these settings to a user profile, any of the 30 available, or go to the table mode and edit the individual segments as well, which will also be reflected in the graph. You'll also notice, as a side note, that the load program does change. In fact, it's significantly shorter, and that's because you can now edit each individual setting on its own. Remember that you can always turn Novice Mode back on or off using the same process as before. And that's all for today. As usual, all this information and more can be found in our manual, which is linked in the description. Remember to like our Facebook page or follow us on Instagram or Twitter for the latest updates and information, as well as check out our e-newsletter and the rest of the YouTube channel if you have any more issues. Thanks.